This is our 3220 watts amp power supply. This is the air pipe that connects our compressed air. This is the intake valve. Fill in the valve value as required. This is a soldered communication line. Link from here to here. This is an analog communication line. This line connects to our control cabinet. This is the switch to switch between near control and far control. Switch to proximity control and we can use the knob to control its current size. This is the button to check the air supply function. This is the control panel. This is the control socket. This is the gas and electrical connector negative pole of the cutting machine. Transfer arc wiring positive electrode. This is the output cable socket positive pole. This is the power switch. This is the cold water inlet. This is cutting gas. This is the cooling water inlet. Next to it is the valve. This is its ground wire. We can adjust some parameters and functions through the knobs. The first one is air before. The second one is small arc. The third is slow growth. The fourth is the punching current. The fifth is the piercing time. The sixth one is the punching current. The seventh is slow descent. The eighth is to air after. Log into the teach pendant as an administrator. Enter the corresponding password. Click Project to create a new program. Enter a program name and click Confirm. First, we need to create a save point. The safety point needs to be slower. Move the robot down closer to the cutting board. We will set an arc starting point. The distance between the cutting welding gun and the iron plate should be controlled within 3 to 5 millimeters. The light outlet of the cutting welding gun cannot be too far away from the edge of the iron plate. Prevent arc breakage. Insert instructions in order. Next, insert the welding start command. We control the robot to move in the cutting direction. Click the screen in sequence to set the straight line cutting program. The cutting speed is determined by the thickness of the iron plate. Next, insert the cutting completion command. Control the robot to move upward. Insert a save point. To ensure the safety of cutting, we need to control the robot to simulate the cutting path. Switch the teach pendant to automatic mode. Set a speed. The program is normal now. If an error occurs during simulation, you can press the emergency stop button to prevent the robot from colliding. Next, plasma cutting. First, select General mode. Click on the welding section. Turn on Enable. Here you can monitor the status of current and voltage. Detect whether arc break occurs. Switch the teach pendant to automatic mode. to a safe location. This is an effect of cutting. If the set points are incorrect, the iron plate will not be completely cut. Tap the screen in sequence. Now perform an offset process on the robot's motion trajectory. The first one is joint offset. The second is a right angle offset. Now we will do a right angle offset. Fill in the upper offset value. Fill in the value according to customer needs. The offset instruction needs to be inserted below the second instruction. That is, below the save point command. You also need to insert an offset instruction below the end instruction. Next, make the second cut. This completes the plasma cutting.